You know the you know the vibes when we come inside.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Niazhrane. In today's video, I'm doing this brown chocolatey smoky eye makeup look for you guys. If you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Over here we do hair and beauty videos. So if you're new, also if you're not following me on social media, follow me at Niazhrane on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you're ready, let's get into this video. Alright loves, so we're first gonna prep the skin before we do the eyeshadow look. So I'm taking the Pause moisturizer and applying it all over my face, then going in with the Milk Hydro Grip primer and evenly distributing it all over the face. So you guys know the drill of all the things I do before I apply foundation. When it's time for the eyeshadow look, I can pop in, but just enjoy this little video. So for under the brows, to clean it up, I just decided to go in with the Camel concealer in that one shade versus highlighting the brows with the two shades. I was just not in the mood, but that's what I'm doing here. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the link for the video for that hair I did. So before applying the shadows, I'm prepping my lids with that concealer in tan neutral, and I'm just pressing it in so that it doesn't move and it blends out seamlessly. And then I go in with the Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade medium deep. So the first shade I'm going to go into is that rustic palette from Juvia's Place. It will be listed down below in the description box. I decided to go with that reddish chocolatey color and apply it in the crease using dabbing and swiping motions, and just continuously blending it out. That the crease color is blending out, I am going to go into the other palette. It's still from Juvia's Place, is the Chocolates palette, and I'm taking that chocolate brown color. It's kind of like the crease color, but it's just a little darker. Just patting it in, and then when it goes closer to the crease, I am using swiping motions to blend the two colors together. For that extra blend, I'm taking this fluffy Morphe brush and blending out the edges so there's no harsh lines between the crease color and the lid color. Taking a break from the eyes, I'm going to go in with that deep cinnamon color from e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer and just apply it to all the highlighted areas on my face and blend it out after letting it sit for like about 5 minutes. And like always, I'm getting ahead of myself. Before blending out the concealer, I decided to go in with the darkest shade for the e.l.f. Camo Concealers and use that as my contour shade and just apply it to all the areas that's needed to contour, as you can see right now. To make sure there are no harsh lines, you're just going to go back in and blend out all the edges of the highlighted areas with the same foundation brush used to apply your foundation. I don't know why I did not hop on the trend, you guys. This setting powder is amazing. Like, wow, you can see it. It's so amazing. You should get it. To set the contoured areas, I went in with the Fenty Beauty contour or bronzer palette, and I'm using the shade Hot Cocoa, Hot Mama, whichever one. It's gonna be listed down below. I'm not next to my makeup station, but it will definitely be listed down below. If you would like to see an easy way to apply your lashes, just let me know down below in the description box. I just personally don't add it in because it does take me some time, but I just get it right. Now back to the eyes. To finish it off, I am taking that crease color and I am applying it to the lash line just like so. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box. Also, if you want details on this hair, it will also be down below in the description box. If you made it all the way to the end and you like it, just subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Niazhrane. And I will see you in another video. Bye.